Welcome back guys, this is Zunica Security for cyber security. Today we're gonna talk about the XML External Entities attack. So before we get started, just a little intro. Okay guys, so the XML or extensible markup language is a language used for access and store data, for example with through different application. And a feature of this language is the DTD, document type definition, that basically allow a user to define the structure and some element that will be inside the XML document. So let's jump in and let's see how we can use it as a vulnerability. Let's jump into a real lab. Okay guys, so here we are into the Motilidate. Let's go into the OWASP 2017 to the injection section with other, and just down here finding the XML External Entity injection. Click it. Okay, here we have our XML validator, and here there is a simple example. Let's try with this. So basically this is a tag with some XML, and this is the tag for the message, and this is the message. Okay, validate. As we can see, this is what we submitted, and this is what it looks like. Okay, now I wrote a basic script here. Let's see. You can find everything in the description. Okay, so the first one is a DTD, so a document type definition, and we are defining an element that is called someEntity, and this entity will be the string hello guys. So, and here there is the XML file. So this basically tell to the validator that every time that the validator see some entity, he will replace it with hello guys. So I suppose that this will print hello guys. Let's see. Perfect. But here there is a problem, because we now can load some malicious DTD and maybe we can access to a file. Let's try. Let's go paste here, and let's comment this other one. Okay, here we have our DTD, so the element file, this is the element that will be called file entity, and this file entity will be found into the etc passwd path. Okay, so here the validator, every time that will see the file entity, will replace it with this file etc passwd. So let's see what happened. And here we have the content of the etc passwd with the user and password. And this is a very basic lab for this kind of attack. Okay guys, so for this kind of attack we can have 3 main solutions. There are much more, but I wanna remember 3 main solutions. So the first one is disable the XXE feature through your entire web application. Otherwise, you can disable it for each parser related to your needs. And otherwise you can disable also the DTD processing, and also here is you can do it both for your entire application. Otherwise you can disable for each parser. And okay, and the last one is using a web application filter, so we can take everything in input and we can send it to a server where we'll have a sanitization for this user input. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoy. If you did, don't forget to drop your words, say yo Zuniga, I'm here to help you. And guys, I wanna remember you can find me everywhere. I just leave the link down below. And I wanna remember you that I found a very interesting application that is called Contra, and so just take a look here. So see you next time. Peace.